Hi everyone, how are you? So as you guys know me, I make videos on across social media. Okay, and you must have seen me on YouTube Shorts only. So this is my first video, long form video. So a few days back I was speaking with my friend. It's been 6 months. I'm making videos for YouTube, so it's high time to spend something. So my friend said, okay, he will gift me something. So my friend just ordered me some. Let me show you what it is. So first we have an wireless microphone which is from Peking. What we have inside, a clip. We have a clip, some user manuals we have. Then we have the mic with this one. Then we have a transformer for my iPhone. And then what else we have? I don't know what it is. Let me check. Okay, we have a wired headphone here for my iPhone. And then we have a charging cable, some user manuals. And this one is I guess 10 feet from type C to lightning port, this one, and then we have a power supply which is for my iPhone to type C and lightning port, I guess. Why lightning port? Okay, and then we have a HDMI port. I asked him for a capture card. Why did he send me the HDMI? I don't know why. Whatever, let's see what you can do with this. And then key features, is that a camera? Monocular. We have a box, and then we have tape for this pouch, and then this is a camera. No, I guess so. This is a binocular. I don't know why did he order for this one. Let's see. And then we have a light here, shooting supporting USB light with clip. Oh, it's good for, you can make videos with it. So here, okay, I don't know, let me put it here. And we have a type C charger with it, and then we have a mini tripod. I don't know why did he order this one. This has happened when you order from China. I don't know why did you order from China. I asked him to order from Amazon. How to fix this one here. Okay, here, this way. Okay, I'll show you later. And then we have what is this? It is for the light, 4 of them. Oh, it's not good. We have a Lanzone headset glasses. What is this? I don't know. What is this headset glasses? We have a type C charge cable here, and some user manuals, a pouch, a glass cleaner. Whatever, I'll make a dedicated video for this. And then we have one more tripod which I'm using right now. Okay, so I will make a dedicated video for this one, and I will make a giveaway because I don't need this one. And then last we have this tripod, which is tripod 3110. There is no company name on it. You have this one, actually good. Okay, for the first time it is okay right now. Let's see how it's working. It's so lightweight right now, and it's made by aluminum. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll meet you in the next video.